Today I'm going to play I don't know what this game called. It's called Sloppy Bird. I don't really sure. And I'm gonna play it, so whatever. Oh, so that's how you play. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Oh, this stupid lag. Eesh. What the? Huh? Oh, yay! I'm so happy! 1 point! Finally. Come on. Yes. Oh my god. Oh. Did you hit this? Yay. Oh, good. Nice. Is it just me or am I playing the wrong game? Yay, I'm so happy. Happy bird. What? I don't understand. Oh crap. Yay. By the way, guys, this green thing, balls, looks like Mario. I don't understand. I'm gonna turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay, it's not because of the Wi-Fi. Maybe it's because of... Oh, what the... Did you guys see that? It's so cool. I didn't even hit it. Whoa! Some really nice game. Wow, some really great game this creator created. Oh no. How are you supposed to put that? I mean, how are you supposed to go there? Whoa. I can't believe it. I can't believe this. My life sucks. Okay, chill. I'm just an epic gamer. Yeah, epic. Remember your epic skills. Yeah, that's how you do it. Oh. Ooh. Are you kidding me? Wow. That's the best one. Yay! I hate my life. Bye bye, guys.